Idlis. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I'm Kanchi Jaykumar. A lovely session of plate idlis. You would have heard about the idlis regularly steamed with the regular idli plates, but this is going to be a flat, small, thin and a very yummy idli, and this is recently very famous, and it's in fact from Bangalore. So it's a very nice and interesting dish. Let's look into how to do this lovely yummy plate idlis. So for this, the urud dal is the proportion is going to be 4:1, and so the urud dal is 1, and we have added 1 teaspoon of fenugreek to this, or methi seeds to this. So what we are going to do is, let us grind it in the mixer jar. As mentioned in earlier videos, what we are going to do is, this urud dal needs to be ground so well. What we are going to do is add some ice cubes to that. That will help preventing this flour getting heated. The batter will not get heated, and so the texture of the batter will not get altered because of the heat. So we are adding some ice cubes. Just look at the batter. It's very nice, and the mixer jar is not hot. So that means the texture of the batter will be very good. So let's add some more ice cubes and grind it. So here we have a fine paste of the urud dal. So if you're going to have 1 cup of urud dal, then it's going to be 3/4 cup of the sago, and 1/2 cup of poha or beaten rice. So we soaked all these ingredients for 5 hours, and then only we are going to grind them. So just remember to soak them for 5 hours. So we have a smooth paste of the sago and the beaten rice or poha. Let's grind the rice. Rice can be ground with some water, because otherwise they will become very thick. Here the rice has been ground. Here we are done with the batter completely. Now let's add some required salt and allow this to ferment. Now we have mixed it well, so let's leave it to ferment for at least 8 hours, and then we will do our idlis. Now here I am going to do it with the already fermented batter, the same proportion I did, and it's ready fermented. So let's do the idlis. See, have a look at this. Just do it like this onto the single side. So here we get the idli plates for making these plate idlis or the Thattu Idly. So here I am going to just oil it. So here I am using a small cooker. If you're going to use a cooker, or you can use any vessel which you use for regular steaming. So that kind of a vessel you should use, and put these plates into it. Cover it up. Do not put the pressure vessel on top. Now just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes in full heat, so that they get cooked in the steam. So now after 15 minutes, here we have the hot idlis ready. Just let's allow it to cool for some time, and then we will remove it. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of doing this lovely Thattu Idlis or the plate idlis. They are going to be really yummy, and they look very nice, also fluffy, and they look very fair or white in color. So do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza. Thank you and bye-bye.